Will owners allow you to go ahead and put their property under contract for $100 down? All day, absolutely, as long as you're dealing with a motivated seller. When we're talking about delinquent property taxes, we're talking about a seller or an owner that essentially is expressing some motivation, high levels of motivation. I'm going to take a step further. If they are an owner that has a high level of motivation and they have back property taxes, what's also going to make them motivated is if they live out of state because they don't see the property regularly. Out of state owners behind on property taxes, highly motivated sellers. Highly motivated owners and then highly motivated sellers. Okay? If you all want to learn more about vacant land and vacant land investing, please check out the link below. Guys, feel free to go ahead and like this video, share it with family and friends, and I'll be talking to you all soon. Take care. Have a great day.